Hi guys, just did a video short there, but it wasn't as clear as I wanted the shorts picture. It's kind of zoomed in, so decided to upload this for you. This is a soldering tip I think everybody can use. You want to do some soldering, but you have no flux. No flux, no problem. Search the house. Vaseline. Let's try it. See how it works. Here we go. Wire, bit of Vaseline, put a good bit on it. A really good bit. There we go. Spread that out a little bit there. Now, all in place. Let's zoom in for everybody in YouTube. Flux is on the wire, but it's not flux, it's Vaseline. Let's see how it works. Wow. Let's just show you that. How well did that flow? No flux, no problem. Try it, see how you get on. Just regular Vaseline. I'll see you in the next one.